Brought to you by Flow, Grand Palladium Resorts and Spa, and Red Stripe. Drink responsibly.
Duttyberry here at Reggae Sumfest 2022, and I'm here with the lady who should always attack her mind. Shaneil Muir, how are you?
I am amazing. Thank you for asking. I am tired, but yeah, I feel good.
Two hours there, you're tired, but we're going to push through this interview. Press along, Saints. Press along. Okay, so first of all, before we even jump into your awesome performance, talk to me about the look, because from what day, I don't know, but like you're the side upon hot girl settings.
No, but upon top girl settings.
Top girl, oh God, look how I'm going to lose my points. I'm not going to pass the PEP exam with that a while ago. I should have think about it. Top girl settings, top girl settings.
Well, definitely, you know, I'm always, just making sure we're looking good and staying good. And once you look good, you feel good and you perform good and be stuff. So big up to Bootleg for my outfit, you know. Yeah. Big up to Bootleg, I'm going with himself. And big up to the Roxy and Jojo upon the ear, Shanae upon the makeup, and big up to me for look good.
Are you a natural fashion girl, or just like is this something new territory, or you're getting the hang of it?
Getting the hang of it, to step by step we're getting there. Coming up to make me a sweatpants type of somebody, when it's necessary.
All right, Shaneil, I want you to talk to me about like your career and how do you see it shaping up like for your future?
Well, I could definitely say this for myself. I have grown. Mm-hmm. Remember the last time you see me? Yeah. You don't remember?
Magnum.
Yes.
King,
from then till now, yes. I remember where I'm coming from and I know exactly where I want to go. Mm-hmm. So I'm not stop work. Trust me. I'm not stopping because I just think that the further you get, you probably get bored of where you're at and you want to get further than that. So that's where I'm at right now. I see a lot of things because I'm just going to keep putting the work in.
Yeah. So if I'm not mistaken, this is your first time performing on the Reggae Sumfest stage. Was this something that you always like envisioned for yourself?
I always have, especially because it's in my hometown. Moby a real top girl listener. So yeah, to see that I actually graced the stage has been a dream come true. My dream about this and for sister me I live it. It's an amazing experience.
And you represented yourself well on stage because one of the things you're one of them girls where you're not just like another studio artist. You can also bring it and deliver on stage.
She's right.
Because you're a real top.
Real top girl.
All right, so I want to ask you this question, like, what has been the most challenging thing about being an artist in this nowadays music business?
Well, for me, one of the most challenging. I don't even know.
I know the haters, them and the producer.
Them me guess that what about hater? They want to put money in my pocket. You're crazy.
Do you get haters, by the way?
Oh hell yes, especially about my nice clean natural body.
Yeah.
Them eat me. Anyway, I want one of my most is actually. Because it's a true me real, Barry.
Yeah.
My real down to the T, down to my toe.
Yeah.
I'm not telling a lie. It's a true me real. I can't deal with fitness.
Oh, yeah,
and I be a fitness. You understand? Mm-hmm. I be a fitness to be balancing, dealing with people, especially if you know saying I really too. Understand?
Yeah.
And because I can't play hypocrite with nobody. But with being in the music industry, you have to learn to work with different people in different areas, right? Mm-hmm. Because everybody build up a whole heap of things in the industry.
Networking and all of
exactly.
that.
So that's one of my most difficult things to know when to or know when not to and stuff like that. But I've worked on that. I'm working on that still. So yeah.
Blow, you are the king for the flow. Some summer 60 mil cash and prize for the winners. Enough winnings. Make sure you're in it.
Win your share of over $60 million in cash and prizes. Scratch your phone and win instant prize, plus a chance for win weekly prize of cash, tablets, and smart TVs. Dial *129 #sign to activate any unlimited social plan. Get a yard and road plan or pay your bill on time and in full to win.
Some summer. Plenty prize in a flow some summer.
Conditions apply.
I said that you have a relationship with Spice. Is Spice shaping up to be somebody who, if anything, you probably can just like run something by her and say like, oh, how they part of the business here, or how they part of performing your work?
Well, I don't know her too personally, but she comes off as that person. If I do even have a question, I could ask her definitely. Mm-hmm. But Spice, understand? Yeah. So I don't know her personally, I don't know her like that, but definitely through music. So definitely.
Who are some of the persons who you look up to in the business? Not to be like locally, but like internationally, where you say like, whoa, I am honestly a fan of those artists.
In what way?
Like if you're going on your phone right now and go through like your playlist, like who are the people where you know you have
Oh,
there? Like,
playlist?
yeah, them people that where you
Jesus,
say
but that
them
thing is
artists,
a
yeah.
gun woman or something. I be a massacre and chronic lamb.
No, you say like them say dress up like this and doll you up and then something there.
And I
you have to go
listen
through.
be a massacre and chronic. When I ask you, be a massacre and
Oh,
chronic.
Jesus, Pim. Well,
Be a cartel. Miss.
okay. One of the things I want to talk about, I'm going to celebrate.
What's a good thing when I look like when I'm listening to that?
I'm very grateful for that. Also, I want to commend you because I realized that a lot of girls really look up to you and how you stand up for like girls who have their, you know, them insecurities and to really embrace their natural body and stuff like that, because we see how social media stay and I like that you really advocate for women to just like find what they love about themselves.
Absolutely.
Why is that so important, and was it something that was just like an organic type of concern that you have for like the ladies out there?
Well, I think I'm an empath, so I'm always in that position. Like whether if even if it wasn't music, I would still be that person.
Yeah.
I'm always trying to be in someone's shoes and understand, or maybe try to help if I can. So being the position I am now, I always try to leave that impact, especially because I see that it is a problem.
Yeah.
You know, and if me have to be the one for solve it, me I go try for solve it. All if it could take me, you understand? It'll take me some time, and I may need, may have to get into depth with it. But I try to do it I don't focus too much on it because it maybe me can't if me could have healed the world heal already.
Yeah.
You understand? But definitely I think it's important to me because I've experienced issues with that. So to be that person to speak on it, I think I'm in a perfect place to do that. So yeah.
And I love that for you. No, before I leave now, me just go bring a little carelessness tonight now. Do you have like artists where I run up in the DMs now, I try like them say a buzz now, like I try for kinda get in for know Shaneil pan like a more intimate level?
Why you want me to tell the people in business? I'm shut people.
No, me not say if I call name, me I say because through your top girl now, me I say I reach a point now where them a try for say, hey, yes, you look good and you smell good and all of these things. Some know, so them what they approach them, I say, we can do a song together, like maybe we can.
You go on by your business.
I feel that it's true. No, I'm going to play a game of win last, right? So I'm going to say win last, I just like answer me. It's safe, man. All right, so win last, you have to cuss somebody.
See there?
Jesus, Pim. When last, like, you had a bad meal where you say, now I'm going to play there again?
About a month ago.
Okay, when last you wrote a song?
Yesterday.
Okay, when last did you have to cut off a friend?
Whole heap of time.
And I'm going to continue to get cut right through.
Listen now, you see bridges. Some bridges were meant to be burned, so you left the crosses and put on the side and can't come over to you.
When last did you pay for something super expensive?
I can't tell me save a whole heap.
When last you lend money? When last you lend money, Shaneil?
Listen now. Me not lend, me just, if me feel it never makes sense. Okay. Me not lend.
When last you kiss?
Yesterday.
Okay. A little pre-performance, okay. Well, I'm going to ask when last year Masha works, but I think I will just leave it right there. Well, that is it for my interview with Shaneil Muir. And that right there. So with the top girl herself. Because if your life not exciting like that, clearly you're a Yamabella. I think over time people are realize why the Dutty actually did it, Let's just but yeah, man, nice meeting you and like all the best in your career. And like continue for those like the lyrics them. Come here, I tell you, me I listen to your song and me realize say, you're not one of them girls where me can say, you're bad as a woman artist. You're bad as just an artist, period. Man or woman. So keep bringing it with the lyrics and the visuals them and stuff. Yeah, man.
Thank
Take
you so
care.
much. Thank you very much.
All right, cool.
Brought to you by Flow, Grand Palladium Resorts and Spa, and Red Stripe. Drink responsibly.
Somebody, me sit down in the ear, mommy. Stop from playing with me on the stage. Talk to me, mommy. Me sit down and play loose somebody. Oh, you remember them till today? When you look on them kids, when you see them face, when you don't feel the way there. I can't talk to them about my family. I want to lose 2 uncles in 1 month. I can't tell them my life story. Ready? When me say your pity there, me say your me say me can't pretend like me no want to defend them. But funny, oh you tell us who you want say mommy there, and you're not see daddy again. Me say me up to Mommy, big up to Joe. Enough respect for making this my first experience. But man, talk to Mommy, them and say something now. How much female artists in us can come on a stage and bless you with some sound. We don't sing more right as so first. Let me hear the sound, let me hear the nice stuff, let me hear the man. Let me hear the make some nice stuff, man. Yeah! But Mr. Young pretty girl. Mr. Me can't pretend like me now. No, sit down there. But honey, oh, you tell her. How you naughty daddy again. Make you pretend like me no want. But honey. Alright. But see exactly what I like, so let's get into it. Drop it. You see how I want. You see the next time. You see next time we sing a cultural song. And we don't support it and talk about woman love sing about them front. When you go here, me deal with you know. You see right here, I'm all of the real top girl them. Turn it up. Ready now. I love this woman, and this woman with me up. With this one, you're loyal and I am. And this somebody good, nobody no never. Me never broke down. Nobody nothing know me, so you're not touching. You don't want to look at me. I make him up in a me. Come like a matty. I bug you want from A. Touching on 3D. Hear me one. I'm born too cute for your one, so you know what me want. Wait up. I make you touching on 3D. Hear me one, show you the real. I'm born too cute for your one, so you know what me want. Mix me up. So flick it in on me, so go in the back it up, so it's up more tight. In my down and deep. From my thing until my cup left. Even in a this life, you alone me. Yeah, how you give me the best wine? I 3D touch it on the face of fair. Come make me touch it on 3D. Hear me one show you the. I'm both my too cute for your one, so I know what me want. Yeah, come make me touch it on 3D. Hear me one show you the. I'm both my too cute for your one, so. Ladies, have you ever been in a relationship? Or sometime when you remember the man, you just want to cut off this and dash it away? Marks on our question. How much ladies feel like they need justice for this? Let me see them in the ear. Let me see them in the ear. Over here, surrounded about me and soon now. All the ladies, them want to need justice for some of them. I can't tell them some now. Level it. Listen. Touch me good, but if my ask my neighbor happy, I need a man for touch me good and also treat me right. You know I never need your money, just a regular body. As anything I want to get, no matter what the price. A top girl in your life and I never lie. You treat me like you want me like a play another eye. Your actions never reaction. Can't stand it and not so best. You never know how you feel for no say you lose a good girl. So take your time and think about that. I'm in office. Me wash cook and clean and quit. Still you never notice. I know my summer needs justice. Mix. But I will say you are the worst, cause you suck my bless. I'll be every this alone now go bring me happiness. Cause every day I'm stress. Every way me feel the press. And if I never try you send me straight up from the eye. But no, I'm telling you, no matter what I wouldn't leave. See when you do the things I promise I you wouldn't do it.